Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Now let's see a homemade scrub that will help you out in clearing out the dead skin or the tan over the skin, and keeps the skin healthier and also keeps the skin moistured. So this scrub will help you out in clearing out with the tan, and also it clears the dead skin which is formed on the skin, and also remove the dirt, and blackheads and whiteheads can also be removed, and the skin becomes healthier so that it looks brighter and whiter. So for this natural remedy, so here we are taking so simple ingredients. The sugar, basic ingredient is sugar, which we use it as a scrub, and it is a very good scrub actually. And also here we are taking coconut oil. Coconut oil helps you in keeping the skin moisture, and also at the same time it helps in skin giving a good texture and smoothness to the skin. So here we are taking these two ingredients. It's very simple but yet is a very effective remedy. Now take a bowl, add this sugar to it, add coconut oil to it, and mix it over. And you can prepare this and keep it in a jar or a container. You can prepare this for about a more quantity, and you can store it, as the sugar doesn't dilate into the oil, so this remains as a scrub for a longer time. This is very simple yet very effective scrub, which helps you in removing the skin tan, and also removes the dirt and dust and extra oils or the secretion of the dust and the extra dead cells or the dead skin which is formed onto the skin, and gives the skin healthier and brighter look, and also it gives the skin smoothness, and also it extends the enhances the skin, and it also helps you in giving the skin a tighter effect, and also gives the skin a good moisture as it removes the dirt and the dead skin over the skin. So the face looks younger and brighter and whiter. So prepare this and apply it on the skin. It may be on the face or the hands or maybe legs or anywhere in the skin which you wanted to scrub. Apply it and scrub it over for about 1 to 2 minutes, and keep this pack for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can wash it over. After scrubbing with this pack, you can use the simple cleansers and cleanse your skin. So in this way you can prepare the simple scrub which is very effective and also works well.